Hi! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode on this device. Begin with opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. After that, click on System and Updates. Then you need to click on Simple Mode and click on Enable. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to access Settings again and tap on Exit Simple Mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!